I went down to the river that day, saw my man go walk away. He left town with a woman.
Hey, improvers. All right, we are learning Storm and Stone. Awesome dance. It's an A-B kind of like a dance. So we're gonna have part one, we do it twice, and we change to part two or part B. We do it twice and we switch it back and forth. So you're gonna love it. So here it goes. Here is part one. We start with that little toe, heel, cross forward, rock back with the left, recover on the right, step forward, cross with the left. Let's try that again. That is cross, heel, let's try that again. That is toe, heel, cross and hold, rocks back, recover, cross, hold, two-step walk, 1/8 walk in an angle, step, step. You're going to now do a mambo forward with the right, recover. You're going to do two steps back, starting with the left, then the right, completing that wall turn. Left is going to do a cross shuffle, or Susie Q, as we know it as well. So here goes again that part. Toe, heel, cross, and hold. Back, recover, cross, hold. Slow walk, right foot mambo forward, recover. Walking back left, walking turn to the wall, left shuffle, cross shuffle. Here we're going to finish. This is the end of part one. Is going to be a box backwards. So side together, back together, side together, and forward. In here we start part one again. Toe, heel, cross, rock back, angle, hold, cross that left, walk slow, slow, right goes forward mambo, comes back, walk back with the right, walk back, finish that wall turn, cross shuffle with the left, and we finish with a box, going back and forward. There it is, part one. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Let's do it again with count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, walk 1, 2, 3, mambo 5, 6, 7, hold 8, walk 1, 2, slow 4, 5, 6, 7, and box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Awesome. All right. Okay, so let's do part two. I'm going to do it this way so we can see the steps. So we're going to start with a touch back. So again, point back. We're not doing really a mambo, so be careful in there. So it is 1, 2, a coaster back with the left. So count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So now we're going to bring that right foot forward, right? Half pivot, and we're going to add now quarter turn with a step, rock, cross, right? So let's see that again. Step, turn, step, and cross. The count, let's do that little part with the count from the beginning, part two. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I know you got it. Here, on the turn, we're going to have a little leaning to the side. Lean into that side. Not good at this, but I am doing my best as my knee is not cooperating. We're going to lean for 2, kick, back weave for a heel. Okay, I'm doing it on this wall again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and boom. Right? Want to see it again? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's not the right count. I just want to show you the steps. All right. So part two, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch together, coaster back. Half, turn, cross, rock. Lean up. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel. Yay. Okay. All right. And we finish it. So in here, when we're here leaning, we're going to rock 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, heel. On this wall, touch and 1, 2, 3, and heel and cross and heel. You're doing that little syncopated cross back and forth. One more time, rock and back and forward and heel and forward and heel. Just like a lot about a little and your bestie, yes? Right. Part 2, full count. 5, 6, 7, forward touch, coaster back. 1, 2, 3, half turn, hold, and rock, cross, hold. Lean up. 1, 2, 3, and heel and cross and heel and stop. Here starts again on this wall. Touch, together, coaster back. Half turn, rock, quarter turn. Lean, kick back, 1, 2, 3, 4, heel and forward heel. And that's part 2. Should we do the whole thing? I think we should. Let's give it a try. So we start with part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starts all over again. Way too awesome. All right, have fun.
I'm so high, rather than the